Some important changes introduced in the Income Tax Act by Budget 2021 have been discussed by us in earlier three messages. Now, in this message, we shall be generating a quick roundup of certain other changes proposed by Budget 2021. With respect to tax audit, last year they had introduced a provision where any assessee having a turnover up to 5 crores of rupees was not required to get a tax audit done if his cash receipts were up to 5% of total receipts and his cash payments were up to 5% of total payments. Now this limit of 5 crores is being increased to 10 crores. Any assessee having a turnover up to 10 crores, no tax audit would be applicable if out of his total receipts, cash receipt component is up to 5% and out of his total payments, cash payment component is again up to 5%, tax audit would not be applicable. The ITAT appeals are being converted into a faceless jurisdictional-less manner as has been done with all other procedural aspects of tax law. Now within a specific time limit, ITAT appeal shall also happen in a faceless jurisdictional-less manner. The Income Tax Settlement Commission has been abolished and it has been abolished from today itself. 1st of February 2021 onwards, that Income Tax Settlement Commission is no more there. It has been abolished. Apart from this, section 44A(DA), it is not applicable to LLPs. Now it is applicable only with respect to individual, HUF and partnership firms other than LLPs. Exactly similar manner of applicability which is there with respect to section 44A(D). Apart from this, there are certain important changes with respect to retirement of a partner from partnership firms. Some tax planning which used to be done with respect to retirement of partners, that has now been plugged, but that is a detailed discussion. We shall be doing it in a separate message. Similarly, some very important changes with respect to TDS. In case of non-filers of returns, the rate of TDS, TCS is going to be high. Again, a separate discussion we shall be doing. Last year, they have introduced TCS with respect to sale of goods under section 2061H. Now, a counterpart of it has been introduced under section 194Q. Payment of purchase price to the seller, exactly counterpart of section 2061H, but again a separate discussion on this we shall be doing separately. With respect to charitable organizations, again some important changes are there, again a separate discussion we shall be doing in a separate message. So all in all, there are around 79 changes in the income tax through this budget. Some are of routine nature, but some will be having very far-reaching consequences.